Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion. Hey, folks, welcome back to the reviews, the place where we test it so you don't regret it. So, today we have got a little gadget that's been popping up everywhere lately. It's called LilCooler. Yeah, sounds like a rapper who dropped out of Snowman School. They are marketing it as a mini portable AC that's gonna instantly cool your personal space. Well, we gave it a spin, and now we are here to tell you if it actually works or if it's just another overpriced Dex toy pretending to be a hero in this summer heat. Alright, here's the pitch. It's a compact USB powered box that's supposed to be working as a fan, air cooler and humidifier. All you got to do is add water or ice if you are feeling fancy. Hit a button and boom, instant air conditioning. Sounds dreamy, right? But let's be real, if this was a superhero, its powers would be barely noticeable breeze and slightly moist air. Not exactly Avengers material, okay? Now, hey, we are not here just to roast it. Well, maybe lightly roast. Hey, here's what it does well. It's super portable, like fits on decks, kind of all small decks. Pretty quiet, no Z engine sounds, so you won't scare your cat or your dog. It doesn't suck up much electricity, your power bill will be barely noticed. And if you are in a dry place or camping, it's honestly kind of handy. A light mist while you scroll through TikTok. Not bad. Now let's be crystal clear. This is not an air conditioner. We will say that again for the people sweating in the back, not an AC. What you are getting is basically a small fan that blows air through small damp padding. That's it. If your plan was to cool down your entire room with this little thing, oh, maybe rethink that. Also, it adds humidity, which sounds okay until you remember that hot plus humidity is human slow roast. Instead of refreshing, you might end up feeling like you are being steamed like a dumpling at your favorite dim sum place. Okay? And yeah, it also work if you are super close to it. We are talking face particularly glued to it. Close, very close. Otherwise, you won't feel much. Is it a scam though? Not really. It's a real product. It turns on, blows air, admits, and so technically it delivers what it promises, short of. And this is important. The way it's advertised, that's where the problem is. Calling it a portable AC is like calling instant noodle gourmet ramen. Expect a gentle puff of moist air, not a full on winter breeze. Okay, what's our final verdict then? Look, Lil Cooler isn't garbage. It just suffers from misleading expectations. It's not going to chill your entire house, but if you use it right, like directly in front of your face while you are working or sleeping, it's kind of nice. Just don't buy it thinking you have solved your summer problem. Otherwise, you will be sitting in a humid room wondering why you feel like a microwave burrito. So, before you hit add to cart, ask yourself this: do I want a real cooling solution or just a slightly breezy, misty text body? If you are cool with the second option, go ahead, but don't expect miracles, okay? That's all for today. Cool headed review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more brutally honest gadget reviews, and share this with someone who think minivans are the cure for climate change. And remember, don't get scammed, get de-reviewed.